In this video, we're going to talk about different options on how you can fund a drone program, especially the drone equipment itself. We have a lot of public safety calling us all the time, asking us for pricing. And one of the very first things I always hear out of a potential customer is, we are about to start a grant and we need some pricing and availability. And I always have to backtrack with the customer at that point, and I have to really go ahead and discuss the issues with grants. We have a lot of issues, inherent issues with grants, and then some new issues that even make it more difficult. So let's backtrack about 6 months ago, maybe 6 to 8 months ago. On average, it takes anywhere from 6 to 12 months to get an answer regarding a grant that a public agency might try to apply for. And our data shows, we have data over 100 applicants that have applied for grants. And our data shows that less than 18% of all applicants that apply for a grant get approved. So that's less than 18%. And at that rate, you have to wait anywhere from 6 to 12 months. So my advice is, if you have someone, you know somebody, you know a source that you have a good chance to get a grant, that would be, obviously you want to go for that. But if you're just starting from scratch and you really are trying to figure out and find different grants to apply for, it can be very difficult. A lot of grant applications, not all, but many, will not allow the money from a grant to be used for a drone that was not manufactured in the United States. So that makes your options very limited as to what you can purchase. We have a couple options. You could take a look at, like the Paradanofia USA review that we did. That is one potential solution and option that you might want to go down that route if you are wanting to get a grant. So keep those things in mind. One thing that I can recommend that works well for many agencies that we deal with is to go through their local DA's office. In many instances, the local DA office will let you use confiscated drug money to be used for these type of purchases. So it's happened on a consistent basis. So that would be one area, an avenue that we recommend that you go ahead and take a look at. Now, if you exhaust everything else, there are finance options to take a look at. There are 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months all to look at. And it's nice where you can come up with monthly payments as opposed to just coming up with everything at one time. Or, there are some agencies out there that will go ahead and take out a 12-month loan, but they can finance and pay it off in 3 months, or they can find that money. So if you're just in a jam where you can get the money, and you just need a short-term loan on there, there's very good municipality rates out there for a lot of our public safety agencies. And I'll be glad to take a look at any of those options with you if you want to call us. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, again, on anything that we talked about, please feel free, contact us, let us know. We're here to help you. Thanks again. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.